Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to use when talking on the phone. After watching this video, you'll be able to ask for someone on the phone and to put someone on hold. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Making a Phone Call PDF cheat sheet for free. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Merhaba, yetkili birisiyle görüşmek istiyorum.
Tamam. Bir dakika lütfen.
Once more with the English translation.
Merhaba, yetkili birisiyle görüşmek istiyorum.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Tamam. Bir dakika lütfen.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
Merhaba. Merhaba.
Then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is person.
İle görüşmek istiyorum.
This Turkish sentence literally translates as person with to see I am wanting, but it means I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Merhaba, yetkili birisiyle görüşmek istiyorum. Merhaba, yetkili birisiyle görüşmek istiyorum.
Now, how do you answer this question?
Tamam. Bir dakika lütfen.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
Tamam. Bir dakika lütfen. Tamam. Bir dakika lütfen.
This Turkish sentence literally translates as, okay, 1 minute please, but it means, okay, just a moment. Here are a few more phrases you can use with the same pattern to talk on the phone. The person in charge.
Yetkili birisi. Yetkili birisi.
A sales representative.
Satış temsilcisi. Satış temsilcisi.
The manager.
Müdür. Müdür.
Customer service.
Müşteri hizmetleri. Müşteri hizmetleri.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Satış temsilcisiyle görüşmek istiyorum.
Tamam. Bir dakika lütfen.
Müdürle görüşmek istiyorum.
Tamam. Bir dakika lütfen.
Müşteri hizmetleriyle görüşmek istiyorum.
Tamam. Bir dakika lütfen.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, I'd like to speak with person? Person.
İle görüşmek istiyorum.
And how do you answer it?
Tamam. Bir dakika lütfen.
Imagine you want to talk to a sales representative. Do you remember how to say, a sales representative?
Satış temsilcisi. Satış temsilcisi.
Say, I'd like to speak with a sales representative.
Satış temsilcisiyle görüşmek istiyorum.
Now say you want to talk to a sales representative and answer it.
Satış temsilcisiyle görüşmek istiyorum.
Tamam. Bir dakika lütfen.
Now, imagine you want to talk to the manager. Do you remember how to say, the manager?
Müdür. Müdür.
Say, I'd like to speak with the manager.
Müdürle görüşmek istiyorum.
Now say you want to talk to the manager and answer it.
Müdürle görüşmek istiyorum.
Tamam. Bir dakika lütfen.
Now imagine you want to talk to customer service. Do you remember how to say customer service?
Müşteri hizmetleri. Müşteri hizmetleri.
Say, I'd like to speak with customer service.
Müşteri hizmetleriyle görüşmek istiyorum.
Now say you want to talk to customer service and answer it.
Müşteri hizmetleriyle görüşmek istiyorum.
Tamam. Bir dakika lütfen.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk on the phone. You're now able to answer the phone like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us and your fellow learners whom you'd like to call. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!